Today unboxing is from Tiny Hong Kong, the Toyota Hiace from the Singapore Police Force. I'm very happy that Tiny once again do a casting that originated from Singapore. Till now, I have the SCDF ambulance, including some of the buses from SBS Transit, and now the Toyota Hiace from SPF. The Toyota Hiace also bring back many happy memories from my national service. When I was with the police force, I used to travel around with the Toyota Hiace to run multiple errands, including operations. And apart from the missing Singapore police crest, due to the regulations, this Toyota Hiace is nicely executed and a great job by Tiny. Standard box packaging, just like many other Tiny Hong Kong casting. The graphic of the Merlion, which is our icon for Singapore, is included. It's a product from Toy East Hong Kong with standard information in Cantonese and English. Tiny social media channel, including the Facebook for Tiny Singapore. It's quite an impressive casting. Of course, the quality is in mid-range given the price point. I like the details on the license plate. The police marking for the Singapore Police Force is accurately represented with the Toyota badge in the front, plastic insert headlights, realistic interior. Also the siren, which is quite accurate to our police force, except that the quality can be much better. Color and the police marking is very current, on par with our Singapore Police Force identity. Realistic wheel sets with standard suspension that rolls extremely well. I like the printed details of the grille, which is very consistent with our current police force van. Highlight is definitely on the opening features on the rear, which reveal the spacious interior. Except for the base that is very elevated, the rear closed perfectly without any issue, and it's a breeze. Overall, I'm very happy that Tiny Hong Kong has produced another Singapore team casting. Base is in plastic without any scale indication given. For this one is to 64 Hiace. I hope to see more Singapore team casting, such as the Singapore Cab, more variety for the police force, and also utility vehicles. Stay tuned for more Tiny unboxing, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!